Hi everyone, so today I'm doing some realistic apples, and I'm starting out with, as always, a very light wash, and this is a mixture of lemon yellow and a little bit of sap green. Feel free to download this image in the description below and follow along. Okay, so we're gonna do a lot of layers for this realistic apple. So this is the second layer, and this is another light and loose wash over the yellow wash. What you want to do is drag the red paint very lightly over your first layer. So what I'm doing here right now is I wet the brush and I'm dragging the paint along one side of the apple. Okay, so now I'm going to take my clean flat brush and I'm going to scrub away some more paint. And here I'm doing two things. I'm making highlights and I'm softening up the red paint. At this point, I let this layer dry, and now I'm just doing a little more scrubbing with the flat brush. I'm just taking the brush, washing it with clean water, and then wiping it with a paper towel. And I'm just trying to scrub away to reveal more highlights and to define the apple a little more. So now I'm adding shadows, and I'm using a deep red mixed with a dark brown and a little bit of black, and I'm putting it in all the places where the apple is dark and I'm also using a small calligraphy brush to do this. And in some places there's a burst of red, so I would just put little strokes of red around the apple. So right here I'm using a light wash over this part of the apple, and I'm using a flat brush to do it. And then I'm going to just put some streaks of red right over the wash, and this is called a wet on wet technique. Now I'm taking my flat brush and I'm doing the same thing. I'm just blending the red into the apple. I find the flat brush gives it a more realistic look and adds a lot of texture to create that apple skin effect.